my friends, on the demand of people that my message should be sent in English, I decided to talk to you in English. I have been talking about the Vedic life, about the natural life, about the life of people, how it can be made happy, healthy, wealthy. Everybody has the opportunity to get themselves involved in the system, what is happening. We are all governed by Almighty, and the space and earth, water, air and fire. These are the 5 elements which makes our body work. If there is imbalance in our body of these 5 elements, we suffer. Similarly, in our system of body, there are 3 important elements: fire, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. They play a vital role in working of our mind, body and senses. How can we maintain this level? By changing our lifestyle, by maintaining our system of eating, sleeping and working. Everybody needs balanced diets. And my submission is that everybody should eat diet according to his own choice and requirement and not eat what others are eating. Similarly, according to Ritua, there are 3 vital seasons: winter, summer and rainy season. Now is summer. In summertime we are affected by heat. So we should try to balance our diet on more liquid side. Then about sleep also, one can rest sometimes in day and not to travel too much on heat. That can cause you stroke. Now I am talking to you something very vital. People are always talking, my life has been disturbed, I am not happy, I am unhappy, I was better before 1 year, now not. And there is a system called Navagraha, 9 planets which are affecting our day-to-day life and changing our mental attitude. Similarly, the colors are playing very important role in our lives. So what are the planets? Planets are 9. As per the hero or other people, numeropalmistry has played a very vital role in our lives, in progress, in fall, in success, fame, defame and health. So what are these 9 planets? One is called Surya, which is governed by number 1. And I will explain to you detail after some time. Number 2 is a Chandrama called Moon. Moon affects our mind, our life, our joy. Third is Jupiter, which has a maximum radius. See, every planet has a radius, and that is why every planet has a role. 4 is normally Neptune, but now according to new study of astrology, 4 is Rahu. 5 is Mercury, that is Buddha. 6 is Shukra, that is Venus. 7 is again Ketu. These are 2 new planets which people are believing play a vital role in our downfall, in our progress, in our lives. And 8 is Saturn, sunny, and 9 is Mangal. So how, with the practice of certain technology of yoga, dhyan, what is yoga? Yoga is a system by which we can connect, unite ourselves to Almighty. शरीर, मन, बुद्धि, इंद्रियां, आत्मा और अहंकार, ये सब मिलके हमारी प्रवृत्ति बनती है। उस प्रवृत्ति को हम ग्रहों से भी प्रभावित हुए देखते हैं। ऐसे कई जगह देखा गया है। बहुत अच्छी शिक्षा देने के बाद भी अमूल व्यक्ति सुधरता नहीं है, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर किसी पर्टिकुलर ग्रह का बहुत प्रभाव है। अब हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि क्या योग से हम इन सब चीज़ों को ठीक कर सकते हैं? तो योग से अपने आप शरीर को ठीक करते हैं। हाँ? प्राण, अपान, समान, ज्ञान, उदान, ये 5 प्रकार की वायु हैं जो हमारे इंद्रियों में व्याप्त हैं। मन, इंद्रियाँ क्या हैं? ये 5 ज्ञान इंद्रियाँ हैं हमारी। ज्ञान में आँख है, नाक है, कान है, त्वचा है, टेस्ट है। तो ये 5 हमारी ज्ञान की इंद्रियाँ हैं जो हमारे मन को सूचना देती है और मन उसमें काम करता है। तो अब प्रश्न आता है कि जब हम पढ़ते हैं, लिखते हैं, अध्ययन करते हैं तो हमारा मन विचलित क्यों होता है? क्योंकि उसमें कोई इंद्रियों का प्रभाव आता है। तो इफ़ यू वांट टू अचीव द गोल ऑफ सक्सेस, यू शुड ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस द discipline of senses. What is discipline of senses? If you do pranayama, what is pranayama? Pranayama is the regulation of vital energy, prana. When you do prana, it means your senses will stop functioning, working, sensual enjoyment stops. So how can we achieve this? By practicing pranayama. When you practice pranayama, senses stop working, so then become dharana. यम, नियम, आसन, प्राणायामा, धारणा. Pranayama makes your mind meditate. Dharana, dhyana. Whatever you are thinking in your mind, that makes you work. Accordingly, that dharana, that concentration, what you make, that converts into meditation. When you practice meditation, you can achieve whatever you like, success, studies, business. Dhyana can be practiced in 2 levels. One is sakara, with some objective. The other is nirvikalpa, without any objective. So when you are doing with your some objective, guna, with some attribute, that makes you successful in that particularly line of action. If you are driving, people say dhyan se chalao. Please drive carefully, drive concentratively. That means you should concentrate on your work, so you will be successful with reading, business, politics, any objective. That is concentrative mind, dhyana. And nirguna means you submerge yourself into Almighty God. That is called samadhi. Dharana, dhyan, samadhi. So if you want to be a successful person, try to practice some pranayama, which I will show you gradually. You are exhaling, inhaling and retaining. Pranayama means retain the breath inside. You can do from both the nose Om. You are washing away all dirt from your mind and body. Om. 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 I now salute to all of you and pray God that all the energy comes in you, and hope you have enjoyed my talk. And I am thinking to give you my contact numbers 9811114180 and 8826612626. These are my WhatsApp number. If you want to connect and reach to me, you can come to Kalki Balaji Dham at 2228 Autumn Line near Metro Gate 2. You can share, come here, practice, meditate and get some guidance. Thank you very much. धन्यवाद. आप सबको ये मैसेज बताइए, अच्छा लगे तो औरों को शेयर करिए और सबको बताइए कि किस प्रकार आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. धन्यवाद.